Olá, pessoal! If you have been studying Portuguese for some time, today's lesson is for you. You will learn a fourth use the word se has in Portuguese.
Fourth, Mia? Which are the other ones?
They were taught in the previous lessons. The links to those lessons are in the box below. Now, let's get started. Se. This little guy seems to be everywhere, and you know why is that, don't you? Se has at least, and I said at least, 4 different uses in Portuguese. 4. In today's lesson, you'll learn one that is commonly found in writing, and it's considered a more advanced kind of construction. It's used to describe something that is done, was done. It's an alternative construction to the passive voice. By the way, you'll find below the link to the lesson where I taught how to construct and use the passive voice in Portuguese. So as I said, se is part of an alternative construction to the passive voice in Portuguese. Let's say that I want to say that Portuguese is spoken in Brazil. Português is spoken in Brazil. Passive voice. Português é falado no Brasil. Now using the alternative construction with se. Fala-se português no Brasil. Fala-se português no Brasil. So, in the passive voice, português é falado no Brasil. The alternative construction, fala-se português no Brasil. The sentence, se fala português no Brasil, is considered grammatically incorrect because we shouldn't start sentences or questions with any object pronouns, but is commonly used in Brazilian Portuguese, especially in spoken language. Yeah, so, se fala português no Brasil, this is how people speak. Let's see other examples, Que língua se fala no Brasil? Fala-se português? Or, in spoken language, se fala português. Oh, and in Canada, now there are 2 languages, English and French, so, in the passive voice. Inglês e francês são falados no Canadá. Now, falam-se inglês e francês no Canadá. The verb must agree with the nouns in question. Falam-se inglês e francês no Canadá. Fala-se português no Brasil. Let's see other examples. Vende-se apartamento. Vende-se apartamento. How many apartments are for sale? Just one. Vende-se apartamento. Now, vendem-se apartamentos. More than one. Vendem-se apartamentos. Let's see some examples in the past. Por que prédio tão alto foi construído perto da praia? Por que se construiu prédio tão alto perto da praia? Por que se construiu prédio tão alto perto da praia? More than one building. Por que se construíram prédios tão altos perto da praia? Por que se construíram prédios tão altos perto da praia? Antigamente, carros antigos eram reformados aqui. Antigamente, reformavam-se carros antigos aqui. In spoken language, antigamente se reformavam carros antigos aqui. Antigamente se reformavam carros antigos aqui. You will see this use of se in signs all over the city, yes, such as vende-se apartamento, vendem-se apartamentos, alugam-se cadeiras de praia, alugam-se bicicletas. Procura-se cachorrinho desaparecido. Procura-se um cachorrinho desaparecido. Ah, por fim. Consertam-se sapatos. Ah, consertam-se sapatos. Shoes are repaired there. By the way, do you know how to call that place where shoes are made and repaired in Portuguese? You don't? Then I suggest you watch that lesson. In that lesson, you'll learn about some interesting places found in the city while playing a guessing game. Sounds like fun. Thank you for watching another lesson. If you liked today's lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That helps the channel. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!